It is freaking pre-meet time. Ford Takeover pre-meet time. God bless. God, there is some ridiculous hardware here already. As you can see, what do you think? Walk around a little bit, check these things out. See what's up. Yeah, guys, this is a pre-meet, guys. This is just a little time for everybody to hang out. How y'all doing? Okay, good to see you. What's your name?
Ronnie.
Ronnie, nice to meet you.
Hi.
She's on the phone. I won't bother her. Oh man, they're rolling in. Hold on, there's that teal Cobra clone.
Definitely.
I think I've seen that car like on YouTube or something. You see that car right there? I think I've seen him on YouTube before. I don't know. Ah, this is short. Looking good. How are y'all doing? Good to see you. Oh man. God, this is some. I have not got to check this one out. Man.
Super clean.
Very nice. Very nice. And of course, you know, fresh paint.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna do it this year, I promise. We're gonna get paint this year, I promise.
There you go.
Golly. Looking good. And then of course we got Skylar's there.
Yeah, you. He's talking about you. You
Looking
like
good. Yeah, there it is. It just sits mostly. Collects dust.
Get a picture? I'll put you in the video.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, man? My name's Ted.
Nice to meet you, Ted. Right, all right, all right. Oh, with the Vortec. Very nice. Calypso. Yeah, this thing got some Brembos on it. And of course, got the Bimini blue. Gotta love it. We got the Michigan guys. G-Funk Express in the house. Doing work. Car looks good, buddy. And you got a haircut, dude. I'm so proud. I am so proud. I saw that picture of you like smiling on Instagram. That was awesome.
So good.
Yes. Welcome to Tennessee. You got to get out of Michigan, y'all. Just come down here and we can just do car stuff all the time.
Yeah.
Man, car looks great, dude. Looks great.
Look good.
This car, man, dude, he's even got the heat extractor hood.
It's okay.
This is Skylar's buddy from Indiana.
Okay.
He told me this car was clean.
It's one that I've posted and tagged you on, Caleb.
Okay, okay. I'm working through those slowly but surely.
Yeah, so you're gonna want to talk to this guy right here.
This is freaking great.
It's really clean.
God bless. Yeah. All right, dude. So the pre-meet is popping off, dude. What do you think?
Pretty good.
It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I was a little concerned it would be out of control with the amount of people coming, but I think we're good. Everybody's got all this fresh paint, and I'm over it now. Dude, I've been crying about my paint the whole time I've been here. Yeah. Those are those wheels. Brian Dinkins has those on his car, and they look phenomenal. Which he should be here. Yeah, we're talking about your car.
I'm gonna come listen if you're talking about.
Hey, well, who's this guy with the camera? Yeah, it looks great, dude.
Thank you, man.
It looks phenomenal. Man, we got cars, and more cars. Love it. And the man himself in the house. What's up, buddy?
Good.
Dude, what do you think? Yeah, we're just getting started.
Yeah, Freddie's on his way.
Okay.
He's coming up the highway.
Good
now.
deal. Good deal. Man, what a pre-meet. Loving it.
I think I am. Or I'm pretty sure I am.
Ah, okay. All right, guys. So, yeah, I think Brutal may be a little bit wounded here. Not sure if that's why he's parked over here. But other than that, the car looks great. He killed it. All right, so Brutal, you killed it, dude. Car looks great, and of course everybody else's cars look great. Oh man, this notch right here, one of my favorites. They're just everywhere. What a freaking awesome pre-meet. Brady, you didn't bring the 500. You just gotta get the Terminator out. Good to see you, dude.
I got this one back, so.
Okay, I got your shirt in the car.
All right.
So you're good.
Can we go get them?
Yeah, if you want to, yeah. All right, so you got a favorite out here yet? No favorites? No favorites? Well, Freddy's is always a favorite, right? And this is cool right here. Look at this. Look.
What's this blue over here?
What blue? What blue? Yeah, we need to check that out. Okay, look. We've got a black GT convertible with black Terminator wheels.
Yes.
Then a white GT convertible with white Terminator wheels. That's cool.
That is.
So what do you think? Are we going to do a Cobra GT? What are you thinking?
Probably a Cobra.
Yeah, Cobra.
Might as well.
Yeah. We can do a GT. Not a new age though anymore, right?
No.
We're doing SN95 things. Oh, look at this thing with the Vortex on it. Super clean. See, it's all lowered. What do you think?
I like it.
Good. Clean little hatch. I think that's Jerry's car. Got a fresh paint job on it. Hold on, there's Brutal's. Yep. There he is. God. And the man himself. Did you get a tune?
No.
Ah. So not racing tomorrow.
You did drive it.
I did drive it, but that was about it.
Ah, that stinks. Oh well.
Yep.
Man.
Like yesterday, and I got phone calls all day.
What age? This is crazy, man. This is great. Everything's real. Everybody's real chill and real cool. I love it. The weather's perfect, man. It was hot today.
Yeah, man. After that rain blew through, I thought, man, it's gonna be hot after that.
That's why I was like,
Cool.
yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
I told my wife, she says like 97 degrees in time. We're back home.
Yeah.
Like, it's like 75 here and breezy. It's nice.
And all right, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that right there. You know the Bimini blue is my fave. Yeah.
It stands out.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It's pretty. And of course, Corey's over there. I don't know this gentleman. I don't know this gentleman or this gentleman. They look good though.
They do.
I like the Vortex. I think I already said that once, but yeah, it looks great. Good variety too.
Sit in it.
Hey, there's not. What's wrong with your interior?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, good. See?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's awful. No, it's not awful. What's so bad about it? It looks great. Get a lot of electronics though.
No, but
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Still
Can you
though.
see over the steering wheel?
It's sweet. No.
I mean, we can barely see you from out here.
I know.
see.
No.
Looks great. Oh guys, I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apologize now. This video is gonna be freaking terrible because like you can't really just walk around and take it all in. You gotta, you know, all of these are your friends, you know, you want to talk to them, and all the cars have a story and you want to talk to everybody and check out their cars, but my god, it's too much fun. If you didn't make it this year to Ford Takeover, you definitely got to be there next year, because I promise you guys, we're gonna be bigger and better next year. We just all stand around and bench race and do what we do. much fun. Kind of wrapping it up, guys. I know this video didn't come out very good, but sometimes you just gotta talk to the people and have fun. That's what it's really all about. So we're gonna call it a night. Even G-Funk looks a little tired, right?
Tired?
You're not tired?
No.
You're rocking that. You're ready to go to the club because you got that fresh haircut. That's what he's gonna do. I promise.
I'm older than you are, youngster.
I don't know about that. We're not talking age though. We're not doing that. Look at this thing, dude.
I don't know.
With the pony R's too.
I
You
know.
can't beat it. Original everything.
You want some shiny bits, but not too much.
Some, yeah. You don't want to go too crazy. All right, boys. So there you go. That is pretty much the pre-meet. Tried to get everybody in, all the cars. I mean, there's just like, and most of them are leaving, as you can hear. But great night as always. And as always, everybody was adult and mature. No stupid stuff. That's what it's all about. I freaking love it. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And next upload you see will be Ford Takeover. We got some bad boys coming for the track. Don't miss it. Later.